Hi, friends! Can you move like animals? Let's play Animal Move game. Let's go. Hop like a bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Roar like a lion. Slither like a snake. Stomp like an elephant. Stomp, stomp!
Let's go! Let's go! Dance with me! Woo!
Dance like a monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Jump like a frog. Boing. Boing. Waddle like a duck. Wobble, wobble. Dance with Pengo. But when the music stops, freeze! 3, 2, 1. Good job! Dance, dance, dance! You did amazing! See you next time, friends!